Hello everyone. So today let's talk about two important P's: projection and perception. So what is projection? Projection, as we know, is making something visible or bringing it on the surface. For example, we have a movies in the reel or some other device, but until that is projected on the screen, that is not visible to us. We can't see it, right? So that is projection. Now, what is perception? Perception is absorbing the information around us through our senses, right? Now, what person A will perceive looking at one situation will differ from what person B will perceive, right? So, how people perceive things depends on a lot of things. For example, their past experiences, their belief system. Yeah. They say our mind is like a meaning making machine. It is constantly absorbing things, information, and then it is processing it, and then it is finally giving it a meaning which stays with us. Yeah. So we are constantly perceiving something that is being projected by something or someone, isn't it? Now, why this topic today? I thought we need to really introspect and see, are we projecting ourselves correctly? Because we don't have control over others, how they are projecting. But am I projecting my feelings, my intentions correctly? Till few years back, now when I think of it, I used to perceive myself as not good enough for few things. Yeah, and that's why I wouldn't be taking part in that, and I wouldn't be the first one to raise my hand and ask questions. Yeah, and subconsciously the same image was also being projected to others. Yeah, so the question we need to ask ourselves is, am I projecting what I really mean, what my true feelings are, what my true intentions are in the various roles that I play? Be it in the office, as a boss, as a subordinate, as a colleague, or in the home front. So as a sister, as a mother, or maybe as a friend, in all the various roles that we play. Yeah, I think if we give it a little thought to that, maybe we'll start projecting ourselves correctly. And maybe the misunderstandings could be avoided a little bit. Don't you think so? Yeah. We all are, seeing this world through some glass. If you have spectacles, if you realize if you clear the glass, you see the world little better, little clear, right? So we all have some glass through which we are seeing this world. Sometimes we need to clean that glass so that we perceive things correctly. And maybe this world will look little better, little beautiful to you. Yeah. When I got into life coaching, became a life coach, two things happened. One is I started projecting myself little differently, little clearly, what I really want people to understand about me. And I started perceiving myself and the world also little differently. Well, is this discussion making any sense to you? Well, I hope that I have projected my thoughts clearly and you will perceive them well. So thank you for watching this video, and very soon we'll come back with another topic. Till then, bye-bye and take care.